Let me tell you about my cousin, Ray Ray. He's a character, always has been. Ray Ray was always different. From the get-go, he marched to the beat of his own drum. While we played outside, getting into all sorts of trouble, he was inside, quietly observing the world through a different lens. He was tracking every penny in his little notebook. Every single transaction, meticulously recorded. He saved diligently, planned meticulously, always thinking ahead. And he always knew exactly where his money went. Not a dime unaccounted for. We laughed, teased him even, but deep down, he was onto something. He had a vision. Fast forward, years down the line. Ray Ray's now a highly respected accountant, a certified public accountant no less. He's handling big money, serious capital, for big companies, major corporations. He turned his childhood habit, that quirky little obsession, into a thriving, successful career. When people's finances are a complete and utter mess, when they're drowning in debt and confusion, he's the one they call. He's the financial firefighter, putting out blazes left and right. So, what exactly does an accountant, you might ask? Think Ray Ray. Think about that kid with the notebook. It's not just crunching numbers. It's about reading the story behind the numbers, understanding the narrative they tell. Every business, every person, every organization, no matter how big or small, has a financial story to tell. A story of growth, challenges, and opportunities. Accountants help write the next chapter of that story, guiding businesses and individuals towards financial success, keeping things honest, transparent, and straight as an arrow. Without them, it's utter chaos. A free-for-all of financial mismanagement. Like driving with no dashboard, completely blind to where you're going and how fast you're getting there. People often think accounting is boring, a monotonous grind of numbers and spreadsheets, but it's actually a position of immense trust and power. A seat at the table where critical decisions are made. Accountants know the real score, the underlying truth behind the balance sheets and income statements. They spot potential problems before they become crises, celebrate wins with data-driven confidence, and keep the financial foundation solid, ensuring long-term stability and growth. That's what Ray Ray does, day in and day out. He keeps the house standing, ensuring the financial well-being of his clients. So, next time you wonder what an accountant is, what their true purpose is, remember, they're the backbone of any successful enterprise, the truth-tellers who hold everyone accountable, the unsung heroes who keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. It's more than just numbers on a page, it's about people, businesses, and their dreams. It's about making sure the story ends well, with financial security and lasting prosperity. And that's why Ray Ray's not just an accountant. He's the hero of this story and countless others. So what's the real job of these number wizards? What do they actually do day in and day out? It's more than just crunching numbers. It's about providing clarity and stability in the often complex world of finance. Let's break it down and take a closer look at the core responsibilities. First, and perhaps most fundamentally, accountants manage financial records. This means meticulously tracking every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out of a business or organization. It's about creating a clear and accurate picture of financial activity. They then use this data to create reports, essentially acting like a business's report card, showing its financial health and performance over time. These reports are crucial for making informed decisions. Next up, taxes, a topic that can be daunting for many. Accountants are the experts in this area, navigating the complex world of tax law. They're the ones who keep you out of trouble with Uncle Sam, ensuring you're paying your fair share without overpaying. They know the ins and outs of the tax code, finding legal deductions and credits that can save you money. They make sure everything's filed accurately and, perhaps most importantly, on time, avoiding penalties and interest. Then there's compliance, a critical aspect of responsible business operations. This involves making sure businesses follow all applicable laws and regulations, ensuring they play fair and operate ethically. In this sense, accountants act as the referees, ensuring everyone is playing by the rules. This protects not only the business owners, but also investors, employees, and the public at large. So, to recap, there are three main jobs that accountants perform. First, keeping the books meticulously and accurately. Second, expertly handling taxes and navigating the complexities of tax law. And third, ensuring compliance with all applicable rules and regulations. It's like being a financial doctor, providing essential care for the health of a business. They conduct regular checkups to assess the financial condition. They offer treatments to address any financial ailments. And they help create healthy living plans for long-term financial success. Without accountants, the world of business would quickly descend into chaos. Nobody would truly know what's real, what's accurate, or what's sustainable. They keep the machine running smoothly and efficiently. It's a huge responsibility, requiring precision, integrity, and a deep understanding of financial principles. But it's what ultimately keeps the world of business together, providing the foundation for growth and prosperity. So next time you see a business thriving and succeeding, remember that there's likely a dedicated and skilled accountant working diligently behind the scenes. They're the unsung heroes of the business world, often working tirelessly without receiving the recognition they deserve. Without them, it's the Wild West, a free-for-all with no rules or accountability, and nobody, especially not a business owner, wants that kind of uncertainty and risk. Where do accountants work? It's a question that opens up a world of possibilities. Everywhere there's money. And let's face it, money is everywhere. From the smallest transaction to the largest corporate deal, financial activity is constant. Their skills are universal. Corner stores, the backbone of our communities, global companies, the giants of industry, you name it. Every organization, regardless of size or sector, needs someone to manage their finances. Public accounting firms are hired guns, the consultants of the financial world, helping businesses with taxes and audits. They ensure compliance and provide valuable financial advice. Audits? That's just official inspections, making sure everything adds up. It's about verifying the accuracy and integrity of financial statements. Then there's corporate accounting, working inside one company as part of their internal team, helping it grow and make smart decisions. They're involved in everything from budgeting to forecasting. You could be crunching numbers for a car company, analyzing production costs and sales figures, a game studio, tracking revenue from in-app purchases and game sales, or a movie set, managing budgets for blockbuster films and independent productions. And don't forget government accountants, managing taxpayer money, a crucial role in ensuring public trust, balancing budgets, and making sure public funds are spent right. It's about accountability and responsible stewardship. Some are even financial detectives, the sleuths of the accounting world, tracking down fraud and crime, uncovering hidden assets, and exposing financial wrongdoing. So, whether you want to work for a big firm, a cool brand, or the government, the possibilities are truly endless. Accounting opens doors. It's a gateway to a wide range of career paths. It's a golden ticket to any industry. Your skills will be in demand no matter where you go. You're not stuck in one place. You have the freedom to explore different sectors and roles. You choose your adventure. The world of accounting is your oyster. Wherever there's money, there's a need for you. Your expertise will always be valued. That's the beauty of accounting. It's a profession that offers both stability and opportunity. Let's dig into public versus corporate accounting. The Big Four, Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, are the NBA of accounting. Landing a job there is huge. You get top training, work with big clients, and learn fast. It's intense, but the experience is priceless. Corporate accounting is different. You join one company, become part of the team, and help shape its future. You might set budgets, analyze sales, or help launch new products. You become an expert in an industry you love, seeing your impact every day. Whether you want variety or to go deep, there's a path for you. Want to make a difference? Government and nonprofits need accountants too. Government accountants manage trillions, making sure public money is spent right. Some are forensic accountants, real-life detectives tracking down fraud. Nonprofit accountants are mission-driven, ensuring donations go where they're needed most. You could help build schools, feed the hungry, or protect the environment. Your work brings trust and transparency. It's not just about counting money, it's about making a real impact. You can be a hero with a calculator. Let's talk money. Is accounting worth it? Absolutely. Starting out, you might earn $50,000 to $70,000 a year, more in big cities. With experience and a CPA license, you can hit $80,000 to $100, 000 plus. Senior roles, $150,000 or more. Top jobs, partner or CFO, can mean hundreds of thousands, even millions. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's stable, respected, and pays well. You can build real wealth over time. Don't let anyone tell you accounting is just a modest job. If you're willing to work, the financial potential is huge. Accounting pays off. So is accounting for you? If you like order-solving puzzles and making sense of chaos, you'll fit right in. Detail matters. Close enough isn't good enough here. Trustworthiness is key. People rely on you with their money. Integrity is everything. If you're curious, love understanding how things work, and want to help businesses grow, this is your field. It's stable, respected, and puts you at the center of the action. You could be the next Ray Ray reading the story behind the numbers. If that excites you, maybe it's time to start your own chapter. The world needs more number heroes.